Apocalypse Manufacturing, AM, maker of the world's craziest trucks, has revealed a new six-wheeler based on the Bronco Raptor. This intimidating Tiffany blue machine is called the Knightmare and is perfect for those who require an unstoppable off-roader with the added practicality of a cargo bay. No longer a traditional SUV, AM transformed the Bronco Raptor into a six-wheeled pickup truck. It widened the front and rear tracks and added an additional driven rear axle. This isn't a 6x4 with a lazy axle. This is the real deal. Large gold-painted deep dish wheels are wrapped in chunky all-terrain tires, presumably giving the Knightmare enhanced desert-bashing capabilities. The Florida-based tuner did not mention suspension upgrades, but we're guessing several improvements have been made. As we've seen with the Rivian-based Nirvana, these trucks receive serious suspension work, giving them the skill set to match their looks. Kevlar paintwork gives the Knightmare a rugged look and feel, although we're not sure the turquoise paintwork is in keeping with the sinister theme. Inside, the interior has been ret-rimmed with plush aftermarket leather. The brown hide covers almost every inch of the cabin. The seats boast a diamond stitch effect, repeated on the door cards and the roof lining. Leather trim can also be seen on the lower parts of the fascia. Suffice it to say, the Knightmare's interior should feel more luxurious than a standard Raptor. Apocalypse Manufacturing has said the Knightmare develops 450 horsepower, which is slightly more than the standard 418 horsepower twin-turbo V6. The extra muscle should help the six-wheeler lug an extra axle around. We still don't expect it to be as fast as a four-wheeled Bronco Raptor. We're yet to learn about pricing, but we expect it to be considerably more expensive than the Raptor, $89,835, you can buy at your local Ford dealership. The company claims this is the world's first six-wheeled Bronco Raptor, but it's not the first Bronco six-wheeler. Last year, Apocalypse introduced the Dark Horse, based on the regular model. Like the Knightmare, it has a truck-style bed at the rear, which measures 5 feet long. The vehicle is 225 inches long, so we're guessing the Raptor-based model is the same size. Few things are as intimidating as a tri-axle Bronco, but Apocalypse makes a range of sinister-looking trucks. Perhaps the most menacing of them all is the aptly named Warlord, based on the powerful Ram TRX. Priced at $250,000, it's reserved for the extroverted ultra-rich.